Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 5, Subject Science, Chapter Properties of Water. Through this video, we will do revision of the chapter Properties of Water and we will learn about some properties of water. There are many materials that do not get dissolved in water in the way sugar, salt, and lemon juice do. Such substances are called as insoluble in water. Let us do an activity. Suppose we have taken a glass of water into which we have added some sand, soil, and mix it properly. What we will observe, these substances will not get dissolved in water. Sand and soil will settle down at the bottom of glass. They will not get dissolved in water. If we will add some small pebbles into the glass of water and mix it properly, we will observe that pebbles do not also get disappear. Pebbles also do not get dissolved in water. So these are substances which can be clearly visible in glass of water as they are separate entity. This shows that sand and pebble do not dissolve in water. Therefore, sand, mud, pebbles, these are insoluble in water. As we have seen in lemon water drink, lemon juice get dissolved in water. Do all liquid get dissolved in water? That we can see by an example or by doing an activity. Suppose we have taken 2 glass of water. And in one of the glass we had added few drop of ink, and in other glass we have added some oil and mixed both the mixture. If we mix both the mixtures, what we will observe? We will observe that ink get dissolved in water, whereas mustard oil do not get dissolved in water. So we can say that ink is soluble in water, whereas oil is not soluble in water. In the same way, as some solids are soluble in water and some solids are not soluble in water. In the same way, there are some liquid which are soluble in water and some liquid which are insoluble in water. It is not only solid and liquid that may or may not get dissolved in water. There are some gases also which may be soluble in water and other gases may not be soluble in water. For example, gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen dissolve in water in small amount. Aquatic animal uses this dissolved oxygen for breathing. Nitrogen gas, on the other hand, is insoluble in water. It do not get soluble or do not get dissolved in water. Thank you.